Hey everyone, CPJet again, part 3 of the series. We have now created our first mod in the dev kit. Now we need to go and upload it. So we're going to come up here to Steam Upload. We're going to click our test mod. And right here where it says Maps, we're going to go and take the name of our map, pop it in. And a lot of people don't know about this one for some reason, but if you want to test your mod out locally before pushing it live, you can actually cook it locally. So you want to go to your install directory where you have PixARK installed and put it down to the mods folder, and you would just drop that directory right into here and hit cook map, and then you'd copy the contents of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 folder into your mod IDs folder, and that's how you test it locally once it's cooked. So in this case, we're not going to do that. We're just going to do a upload. This is going to be test mod test map, and we're going to hit cook map, which is totally the wrong thing. We want to hit cook game mod. And this is going to take quite a while. So in the meantime, I would recommend doing, some cool stuff right here, saying test mod description, a super special small storage box. Visibility, it's pretty much as you think. You can do public, friends only, or hidden. And then your change notes. Now, please remember, if this workshop upload is anything like ARK, you don't want to have any special characters or anything crazy or really long descriptions or anything in here. I usually like to do coming soon or just leaving it blank for the change notes. And we'll just let this cook really quick, and I'll be right back. Alright, so it just finished cooking. We have job successful. We'll hit OK. And all we're going to do is make sure we have everything filled in. We'll just say initial upload. And it wants us to pick a picture, so we'll just grab a random picture of a grass cube that I used on one of my other mods. And we will hit upload. And then we'll pop in our Steam information. Now please note, once you put in your Steam information and it uploads, if you have Steam open, it will actually throw you offline. Okay, and you'll have to just close out of Steam and reopen it. So our upload completed successfully, and if we go and we view the item on the Steam Workshop, there we go. There's our mod. And we are done. Congratulations, you just made your first mod.